What's good, Career Wars? It's your boy Anthony Harris. It's time to transform your resume with one simple fix. And so, what is that fix? It is time to fix those listed bullet points and move yourself from just giving responsibilities to actually giving action and results on your bullet points. So, you did not just handle customer service complaint, you resolved over 95% of customer complaints within one phone call of service to the customer. You did not just manage social media accounts, you increase social media engagement by over 120% in a 6-month time frame due to your social media strategy that you implemented. You need to give actions and results in your bullet points. That is going to get the hiring and recruiting managers' attention, not just giving them a list of your responsibilities of what you did, like answer phones or just manage customer complaints. You need to give results and actions on the steps that you took that increase and made results at that company. If you need assistance on that, all of my resume services for this entire week are currently 50% off to help you in moving into 2025 to help you with your resume in order to land interviews. So if you're not landing interviews, the fix that we need to fix is your resume. So if you need any help with your resumes, please click the link down in the description. All of the resume templates, which are industry-specific resume templates, are currently on sale for $40, and all the done for you services where you can have me and my team optimize your resume and provide you a customized cover letter for $100 or less. Make sure you also click the link down in the description. So if you're ready to move into 2025 with a new resume to increase your job opportunities so you can decrease the time it takes you to land you your next job and a dream job with a dream salary, make sure you click the link down in the description. If you need anything else, Career Warriors, please let me know. Welcome to Legacy Careers LLC, where your ambition meets expertise. Our mission is very simple: to empower professionals just like you to transform career dreams into lasting legacies. With personalized career coaching, resume and LinkedIn optimization, interview preparation, and job search strategies, advance your career today with proven strategies and expertise. Visit us for more at legacycareersllc.com.